Hi friends, welcome to TRENDRIDER channel supported by honinga.co.in. Today we are going to do the technical analysis for National Aluminium company, National Aluminium stock. National National UM is the ticker name, and this is what you're watching is the monthly technical chart of the stock, and this is the historical price chart that you are seeing, and these are all the technical indicators that I'm using to do the technical analysis for this stock. And these are all the technical indicator graphs that are generated by these technical indicators related to this National Aluminium stock. If yeah, this is I'm seeing looking at the historical price path pattern of this National Aluminium right now. It is so spiky and going in a in a patternless mode. Actually, it's like so far we are seeing so many stocks are going are following certain kind of patterns, which help us to do the analysis in a better way. And even if the technical indicator guiding points throws as some negative signals, or some wrong signals or whatever. Okay, this particular stock is so spiky, and it seems the volatility is too much. And even in the monthly chart, I am seeing this kind of volatility. And second thing is, majority of the time this stock has been under the influence of a negative super trend mode, right? See, since 2008 onwards up to this point, that means May 2014, nearly for 6 years this stock has been under the influence of negative super trend mode. And only recently, that means from June 2014 onwards, for the last 3 years, this stock came under the positive influence, positive super trend mode. Okay, the stock recently crossed its 20 and 50-day moving average, and that's good. Now we see it has already crossed. It got peak price. It achieved it reached its peak price in 136 rupees 93 pice in May 2008 itself. Okay, 2008, and today this is 2017 November 11th. Nearly some 9 years ago, the peak price. Okay, and recently the stock is just playing around, a lot of sideways movement, lot of this thing. Actually, there is no direction when it comes to this particular stock. That's what I'm observing. Yeah, we'll come to the technical indicators. We'll see what they're saying. Guiding points of the technical indicators. If you look at the relative strength of the stock, relative strength of the stock is going down. You can clearly see that it's just playing above the midpoint and below the top line. And if you look at the directional index of the stock, directional and this thing is it is rising up right now. They're looking in the upward direction, and both the positive and negative direction lines are diverging. That's what I'm seeing here, creating a lot of space between them, which is directly proportional to the directional strength of the stock. Good. Stochastics is touching the top line, and even the fast line is on top of the red line. Both are good signals, creating. Both are diverging also, that I am seeing. And volume is changing rapidly. Actually, it is increasing, which is good. Momentum is like just playing on top of the baseline, which is not good, because there is not enough for a particular stock to cross its previous peaks and make a new high. Such kind of if you are expecting such kind of thing from a particular stock performance wise, such kind of things cannot happen with this kind of very little momentum, and going down strength, and weak strength, and all that stuff. So these are all the problems with the stock. These points are dragging down the stock, and it is they are not allowing the stock to make new highs. They are not allowing the stock. Technically, these are all the dragging points of this particular stock. Now, if you look at the overall trend, it looks like the stock is right now playing at trading at 86 rupees, and whereas its previous peak price was 137, nearly some 50 rupees less than this its peak price. That also after how many years? After nearly 9 years, this is playing. It is trading at that level. Definitely, I cannot recommend this stock for long-term investment. This is pretty sure. And I, at this moment, without going, delving deep, I think this stock we can get benefit from this stock, by this stock, by using short-term trading. Okay, So we can use this stock for short-term trading at the moment, and but we cannot recommend this stock for cannot be considered. We cannot consider this stock for long-term investment. So that is the analysis. That is the conclusion of the analysis. So we'll come back to the stock later after a few days and then see based on new points. Then again we redo the analysis from long-term perspective. But until then, this stock cannot be considered for long-term investment. But you can do short-term trading with this stock because looking at the volatility, I'm saying all these things. Okay, guys, if you like this analysis, please like this video and subscribe to this channel.